Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see the pivot operation in pyspark, why we are using and how to use that with example. Okay, so in pyspark, a pivot operation is used to rotate or transform data from long format. Long format means multiple rows into wide format means columnar. So this is basically, you can say it's like a transposing the data. Okay, so row data you can transform to as a column, and column data as a row. So for that we are using the pivot and unpivot for that. Okay, so based on certain column that contains categorical value, we will transport basically. Okay, so transposing is something like we have to rotate the particular, you can say, row to a column, and then based on some categorical value. Okay, so let us understand with example. So what we have done here we have from pyspark.sql we have imported the spark session. Okay, then from in spark session in pyspark.sql.functions we have imported the sum. Okay, then I have created a spark session builder.app name pivot example getter create. I have taken a data set. It's like a date, then their categories and their amount. Okay, so these are the pyspark dot create data frame. What I'll do, I'll create a data frame. So data frame looks like this is the date, this is the category, and this is the amount. Whatever the schema we have, same like we have the data also. Okay, so now we will apply the pivot to transform the data. So what we are doing here, we are grouped by department. So there are two date. So what we are doing, we are doing the group by date, df dot group by date. So date would be there 20 24 601 and 02. There are two dates, so category would be the two, and then we are pivoting based on category. So this category would be electronics and books, and then aggregate of their sum, like this amount. Okay, so what we are doing, df dot group by date. So first we will do the grouping of date. Based on that we will do the categories, pivot of category. So what we will do, this name will come as a column name. So in pivoting what will happen, this category will not come, this name comes as a column name. Okay, this norms column as a column name. So this is called basically pivoting. So this electronics will come as a first column name, then books come as a second column name, and under that column name, because we have used as aggregation of sum, so we will add this particular number. So let us see what will be example. So we have done the grouping of dates. So we have two dates. From this example we can see we have two date. Okay, so 1 and 2, these are the two categories of date we have. So and we have taken as a two categories, and then what we are doing, we are pivoting based on the category. So what I told, when you do the pivot operations, your column, you can say categories, this whatever the items is there in the category, that will comes as a column name. Okay, so there are two columns name, electronics and books, and then aggregate functions based on the amount. So on these days electronics have what is the amount, 100. So we'll write like 100, then 150, then 200 and 250. So this is the way we are doing the pivot. So why we are using pivot, pivot is basically used for stakeholder to take certain decisions. So in graphical way it is it is much easier to take certain decisions. So that's why I use pivot and unpivot operations. Thank you, thanks for watching.